I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. I'm standing in front of the 2019 $50,000 home makeover winner, Earl and Stephanie Bitz in Churubusco, Indiana. What you see at the house was a house built in 1920. When we looked at this house, we always asked the question, what is going to stay? In this particular case, the roof was going to stay. So what we did was we came up with a darker brown siding. We did white trim around the windows and doors. We painted the front porch white. And we put a grand entryway in a nutmeg stain on the front of the house. When we were done, we had a house that was color coordinated and it looked beautiful to the homeowners. We brought it from 1920 into 2020. If you'd like to find out more about how you might win this 2020 $50,000 home makeover, contact us at keyexteriors.com. Fill out a form, send it in, and who knows, you might be the big winner in 2020.